Welcome to my channel. In this channel I produce videos on abroad education for latest technologies, job vacancies and scholarships from different universities, organizations and countries. In the present video I would like to talk about job vacancies in National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology IT Resource Persons Recruitment 2021. National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology can be shortly called NIELIT. It is situated in New Delhi and it was established in the year 2000. Applications are invited from eligible candidates for empanelment of IT resource persons who may be deployed in government organizations in Delhi, National Capital Region, can be called NCR shortly, Kolkata, Secunderabad or other locations purely on contract basis based on requirement. Designation or job position: Assistant Programmer B, Secunderabad, Kolkata, Delhi, NCR. Assistant Network Engineer B, Delhi, NCR. Programmer C, Delhi, NCR. Senior Programmer Kolkata, Delhi, NCR. Network Specialist Delhi, NCR. System Analyst C, Delhi, NCR. Developer Delhi, NCR. Programmer Assistant A, Delhi, NCR. Programmer B, Delhi, NCR. System Analyst Delhi, NCR. Programmer Delhi, NCR. IT Assistant Delhi, NCR. Qualification and experience or requirements: Assistant Programmer B, BE or BTech, ME or MTech in computer science and engineering or computer engineering or computer technology or information technology or computer science and information technology or computer applications or MCA or BSc computer science engineering 4-year degree course. Relevant degree from an AICTE or UGC recognized institute or equivalent qualification as per Government of India rules. Assistant Programmer B, BE, BTech, ME, MTech in computer science and engineering. Assistant Programmer B, Secunderabad, BE, BTech or ME, MTech. Network Assistant Network Engineer B, BE or BTech, ME or MTech in electronics or electronics and communication or electrical and electronics and telecommunication. Programmer C, BE or BTech, ME or MTech in computer science and engineering. Senior Programmer BE or BTech or ME or MTech in computer science and engineering. Senior Programmer BE or BTech, ME or MTech in computer science and engineering. Network Specialist BE or BTech, ME or MTech in electronics or electronics and communication. Electrical and electronics and communication. System Analyst BE or BTech or ME or MTech in computer science and engineering. Developer BE or BTech, CSE or IT or MCA or NIELIT B level. Programmer Analyst B, bachelor's degree in computer science or computer applications, IT or electronics and communication, or bachelor's degree in science, mathematics, statistics, economics, commerce, operations research with 1 year A level of DOE, ACCR, PGDCA, programmer analyst B, bachelor's degree in computer science, system analyst BE or BTech, computer science or electronics and communication, MCA, IT assistant, graduate in any stream with IT, O level or 1 year diploma in CS or IT or computer applications, programmer, BE or BTech, computer science or electronics and communication, salary or remuneration of pay scale, assistant programmer B 20,900, assistant network engineer B 20,900, programmer C 33,000, senior programmer 38,500, network specialist 38,900, system analyst C 49,400, 500, developer 44,900, programmer assistant 21,420 rupees, programmer assistant B 21,634 to 26,400 rupees, system analyst 26,625 to 33,600, programmer 24,962 rupees to 30,000, IT assistant 19,500, job location Dwarka, New Delhi. How to apply? Applications are invited from eligible candidates for empanelment of IT resource persons who may be deployed in government organizations in Delhi, NCR, Kolkata, Secunderabad, or other locations purely on contract basis based on requirement. Online registration for the same will be open from 31st January 2021 up to 15th February 2021. For online registration and other details such as eligibility criteria, terms and conditions, locations, last date, etc., kindly visit our website https://nielit.gov.in/Delhi. Date of interview, written test and document verification will be informed after last date of submission of the form. The same will be published in the website. Candidates are advised to check the website regularly. Interview, tests and document verification will be conducted at NIELIT Center, Delhi for NCR Delhi location. For other location, NIELIT will intimate separately. If there is any change in location, same will be informed. Application fee 600 rupees. So for all these you can check the official website, and the last date is February 15, 2021. And if it is useful, please like, subscribe my channel, please press the bell icon for the latest updates, and if it is really useful you can share among your friends. Wish you all the success, all the best. God bless you. Thank you very much for watching my video.